Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 plants that are not very common, at least in Indian house. You will see these plants in plant person's house, but these plants are not that common in every Indian household. Okay, so without wasting time, let's dive into the video. So the first plant I have for you is this very easy variety of begonia. I had so many begonias, and honestly I have killed all of them, and I'm very ashamed of it, but this baby just does not die. This thing refuses to die, and that's why I love this begonia. And honestly, this is the only begonia that I have right now because I have killed all of the other begonias that I had. I had that polka dot cane begonia, and all of the other varieties of begonias were Rex begonias. But this one, I I don't remember the name of this at this point, but I will put out the name somewhere here. But this plant just refuses to die, and it's very easy to grow. And look at this beauty; it's thriving. Honestly, begonias are very difficult plants, and it's very difficult for a non-plant person to grow begonias. If you find this one, you should definitely grab it. The maintenance of this plant is also very easy. You just have to water this religiously. It needs a lot of water because it is begonia. It will need good amount of humidity. I have shifted from Kalyan to Pune, so my plants are suffering from this lack of humidity, because in Pune we don't have that much of humidity, right? Still, this plant is not complaining and it's growing. It took my plants to recover from that trauma, the shifting thing, but still they are now, I feel, doing great. But I'm still very worried for the winters around here, because in Mumbai we don't have winters, right? But here in Pune, I feel my plants will definitely suffer a lot, and they will go dormant for a very long time. Okay, so the second plant I have for you is this beautiful heartleaf philodendron. This variety is called Brazil. It has this beautiful patterns on it. Let me just show you. Okay, okay, look at the leaf. It's beautiful. It has this yellow stripe going on the leaf, and it looks so pretty. It also does not complain if you grow this indoors. Plant also is very easy to maintain. You just have to water properly and give them good amount of light. Even in indoors, these babies grow really well. You just have to give it little more light than the green varieties. That's it. It's very easy to grow and it looks so beautiful, so pretty, and it is in this white pot that my husband gifted me this Diwali. It looks so cute. It looks so good. Okay, next plant. I feel I have already shown this plant in my previous plant video, but this thing is, it's still, I love this plant and I'm still going to show you this baby. This is Rojo Congo, Philodendron Rojo Congo. This is also a very low maintenance plant, and you just have to water this plant once in a month. Literally, I water this thing once in a month, and I have just recently repotted this one. It was in a smaller pot, and it needed this repot. But after repotting this plant, I made a mistake of keeping this plant on the terrace, and it got sunburned. So I cut off all those leaves, but still some of the leaves are sunburned. I did not want this plant to go bald, so I just kept all of these leaves. But this is also very easy and looks beautiful. You do not have to maintain this plant a lot. You do not have to take care of it a lot. You just have to water it once, and you can keep this indoors. Medium to high light, it tolerates medium to bright light, but just do not make the mistake that learn from my mistake. Do not keep this plant in direct sunlight, because it will cause sunburns, and that is not nice. Even for us, that is not nice. Even for plants, that is not nice. Even for plants. Okay, so this was, I think, the third plant, right? Yeah. So the fourth plant I have is Monstera. Now I feel Monstera is very common in Indian household, but I still wanted to show because I got this baby and it's new. But I
Oh my god. Do you have clips on you, baby? Okay, I need to clean this plant. It has clips on it, I feel. And clips, oh yeah, it has clips.
okay, that kind of killed my mood because now I need to treat this thing. Anyways, but okay, okay, let's not get distracted. Fourth plant is this Monstera, but this is not what I wanted to include in this video. The one variety of Monstera I wanted to include in this video is this. This is Monstera Thai Constellation, and Monstera Thai Constellation has this beautiful variegation on it. Okay, so even though this green Monstera is very common, Monstera Thai Constellation is not that common in our households. So we should definitely invest in this baby if you are a plant lover. And let me tell you, this plant is little fuzzy. It's not easy to grow. It gets it gets root rotted very easily, and the watering needs of these plants are very tricky. You will have to helicopter parent this baby, but still it looks beautiful. I like this one, and every other Monstera, honestly Monstera is like my favorite plant genus. So I kept talking and I realized that my phone was not recording me. Okay, so the fifth plant that I have is this beautiful baby. This one. This is a Calathea, and it is a very easy going Calathea. I know Calatheas are very difficult, but this one is comparatively not. Um, it is pretty much growing. Look at this new leaf. And look at this new leaf. It's beautiful. Let me show you how. I don't know how. Look at this. Calatheas are difficult plants for beginners or non-plant people, but I feel this one is this one is comparatively easy. You will just have to keep checking this plant every day because it's very dramatic, and twice or thrice I have neglected this plant. I have neglected this plant and forgot to water it, and it was looking like it's dead, but it wasn't. If that happens to you, just water your plant and wait for it to recover from that trauma from that trauma, and you will be okay. I mean, the plant will be okay. That's it for this video, you guys. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. It will really help me to grow. We'll meet in our next video. Until then, happy gardening.